You are most welcome to WUNNA Educational Services. I'm Teacher Ivan. Today we shall be looking at subtracting and adding of fractions. We have started fractions. In our previous lesson, we looked at the types of fractions. We also looked at how we order fractions in the required order. If you missed, please, before we continue, first watch that previous lesson so that we get on board. When you look at addition, and subtraction of fractions, we have steps that we follow when adding or subtracting fractions. For instance, if we are to add, let's say 3/6 plus 1/4. Step number 1, we must find the LCM of the denominators. That is to say, LCM of 6 and 4. After getting the LCM of the denominators, which is probably 12, our step 2 is to consider the first fraction and divide the LCM by the denominator, and then multiply the numerator by the result in step 1. That is to say, we shall get the LCM, which is 12, divide it by 6 to give us a 2, and then multiply by 3. We get LCM divided by 6, which is a 2, times 3, which is a 6, plus the same thing, 12 divided by 4 to give us a 3, times 1, which remains 3, over the LCM, which is 12, which gives us 9/12. We can reduce this by 3 by 3, 4, which is 3/4. That is how we add fractions. And similarly, we do the same thing for subtraction. For instance, let us try out. We may have 7/10 minus 3/4. We do the same thing. We first get the LCM of the denominators, which are 10 and 4. So the LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. That is the lowest common multiple. After getting 20, the LCM, we shall divide the LCM by the denominators. We start with 10. So that is 20 divided by 10 is 2. And multiply the 2 by the numerator 7. So 20 divided by 10 is 2, times 7, 14, minus 20 divided by 4 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15 over the LCM, which is 20. And now if we subtract, we get negative 1 over 20 as our answer. So that is how we add or subtract fractions. However, I have what could be the easiest way. That is, if getting LCM is your problem, let's try it and see. If I have, let's start with the first one, 3 over 6 plus 1 over 4. I'll cross multiply 3 times 4 to give me 12 plus 6 times 1 to give me 6 over 6 times 4 to give me 24. So that is 18 over 24. You can reduce by 6, you get 3. By 6, you get 4, which is 3 over 4. Just like we got in our previous method. So, in short terms, you can cross multiply. After cross multiplying, you multiply the denominators. Cross multiply 4 and 6, 6 and 1, then multiply the denominators, 6 and 4. The same is done for subtraction. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. Otherwise, I remain Teacher Ivan from WUNNA Education Services. We make your learning easy. Thank you.